Welcome to Arlington Community Arts. Today we're making a heartburst collage. Begin by gluing your blue construction paper on top of your black construction paper to create a black frame. Next, take your small black paper and draw a heart on it that is as wide as the paper. Cut it out, draw a small heart, and cut that out too. Take two colorful pieces of construction paper and fill them with marks using quick sticks. When you're done with your papers, flip one over and trace your black heart onto it. Cut out a heart that is slightly smaller than the shape that you traced. Trace the new heart on a piece of construction paper. Again, cut out a slightly smaller heart than the one that you traced. Trace the new heart on one of your colored papers and cut out a slightly smaller heart than the one that you traced. Stack all your hearts on top of each other from largest to smallest and glue them together. Now it's time to work on the background. Cut long strips out of your colored scraps. Cut a few strips out of your decorative paper scraps as well. Begin randomly gluing your strips of paper on your blue paper in a starburst pattern. It's good if some hang off the edge. You can use some plain construction paper pieces as well. When you have a pretty full starburst, glue your heart on top of it. Trim any strips that you feel are too long. Your heartburst collage is done.